Do you want to know how you can sign up for Perplexity AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Perplexity AI. Go ahead and open any browser and then search for Perplexity AI and click on the link which is said Perplexity AI. You can see sign up on the left hand side. If you don't have an account, click sign up, or else you can click sign in and log into your account. As we don't have an account and are going to sign up, go ahead and click sign up. There are options like Google, Apple, or your single sign-on option. You can choose whichever is easy for you, and the last option is your email as well. In order for you to write down your email, click on this box, write down your email and click continue with email, or verification code will send to your email. Go ahead and tap on it and then you can sign up using your email address. If you want to skip this and want to continue using your Google, Apple, or your SML SSO, click on one of these. Let me give you an example by clicking on continue with Google. After I click on continue with Google, I will click on my Google account and click continue to sign in to perplexity.ai with my Google account. The first step is to click continue, which is over here. And you can see you can either continue with free version or your pro version. So go ahead and click continue with free if you want. You can also see that there is Perplexity for your phone and Android. You can go ahead and download it by scanning this code or clicking on these options. Go ahead and click continue again, and you can start by asking your first question. Let's go ahead and click on best TV source for May 2024, and you can see that perplexity.ai is already on the go. So guys, this is how you sign up for perplexity.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.